Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, the wait is over. The wait, I repeat, viewers and subscribers, the long anticipated appeal verdict will be handed out tomorrow. Yes, the wait is over, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. The teacher will be released April the 3rd, 2020. Viewers and subscribers, and nothing normal right now. The vibes on the streets, even though, public gathering has been disbanded, we don't know what go on. A definitely celebration mode in a dancehall music in a Gaza Nation right now. Talk to my viewers and subscribers. We have been waiting on this verdict for quite some time. We have been waiting for quite some time. All evidence were presented, and when looked at, clear tampering had taken place in the initial trial. Right now at this point in time, all prosecution are worried. Them no know how it go look at this point in time. What go on? Them overstep. They were blatant disregards for the law during the initial trial, and that has been displayed. Everybody are shaking at them boots. The teacher said him 100% sure his name will be cleared, and I guess that is why viewers and subscribers them bring up this phone allegation. Me see what go on. I wonder if you see the play now. I wonder if you see the play, viewers and subscribers. Remember, being found in contempt of laws of a correctional facility come with a certain sanction. Yes, it is true. Whether are 6 months in the hole or whatever the thing, a matter of fact, why 6 months in the box or 3 months, whatever the case may be, because family visit and recreational time was already banned. So maybe them know the teacher will be freed tomorrow, and just for holding for another 6 months or 3 months, they must say, what you know, we'll find phone in himself. Yeah, we'll find a phone in himself, and you know that go. Because we'll find a phone in himself, well, he must go spend the time for that phone in the cell. Maybe that was their plans, viewers and subscribers. No confirmation on how the judges will handle that matter, because even that will be discussed. Even that will be discussed. Tomorrow at the date. Tomorrow at the date, we patiently awaited the verdict date. And now it is here, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. Freedom is a must. We stand beside that statement. We stand beside that statement. Freedom is a must. The world boss are touch road soon. In the next couple of hours, we can say then. The world boss I got touch road in the next couple of hours. Talk to me in the comment section. Yo, the like icon supposed to stay blue. The like icon on the video supposed to stay blue. Yeah, man, celebrations are in order, viewers and subscribers. And in a time like this, some good news is definitely needed. The society needs some good news. Definitely a good look. I wonder if them put that into perspective. And that's how we do our go on right now. Just to hear say yes, court proceedings have ended and the teacher will be released in the next couple of hours will definitely lift the spirits of the people. Yeah. Definitely get them into a more mode of celebration. You know what I mean? Say yes, there is light at the other side of the tunnel. You know what I mean? We just have to push on and persevere. And one thing I can say about Vybz Kartel as an artist and as an individual, when we talk about a strong-minded individual, it is clear that Vybz Kartel is definitely mentally fit. Mentally fit. We see the songs all the while, and we hear the songs rather. And we see the lyrical, and we listen to the lyrical content, and we say, yo, this is definitely somebody with a thought process that is unique, not just the music, but overall. And then we see the situation where Vybz Kartel has been through. And the fact that you're forward out stronger. Yeah, stronger. Certain things that made the teacher mention in the music right now. The teacher's always been a prolific dancehall artist. But right now, even with him current situation, remember, even when him there, he meet some other individuals who him never know from nowhere. And when him there, at a place where him there know, he meet them, he hear them story. Anybody who has been behind the bars, especially if you have a number of years, them become what we consider OGs. Means that them know the settings. Them know where you got to at your age because they were at that age one time. But them can tell you the consequences of certain actions, certain roads that suggest you not walk. And the teacher is definitely that individual in the music currently. All heap of artists talk about some lifestyle. Talk about it. So them they do it did reach them. I say, yeah man, we did drop a jail one time. No, Vybz Kartel is an artist, so can definitely say to the youths, them, so watch you know. Yeah man, we know the settings fam. We know where you got to, we know it's set. This is where these decisions lead to. And that are just the facts. And we not did do them because we are the same place where people make the decisions them. You plan for make right now. Me know man they make them decisions them. And them tell me how it play out. That is how we know. Definitely a good look viewers and subscribers to see Vybz Kartel and co-accused. Remember that means Sean Stormer touch road to as well. Think about it no man. The zombie Sean Storm himself viewers and subscribers will be released too as well. We not hear them bring nothing against Sean Storm like Saray. Them find nothing or no other charges was brought against him. So we can definitely look forward to see Sean Storm walking as well. For Madsus and Cairo the situation is complex. Other decisions were made in a for them case. They have other case pending and decisions were made and that. So them have to, you know what I mean? That will have to take place. So them have to appeal that or we don't know what go on and them charges there. But we know for Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm for sure freedom is a must. Road. A road we say. Them did say we're for him. But then they tell the jury who control destiny. Yeah. Him say hold him straight. Preem case. Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, the teachers definitely. And let's big up Gaza Nation too. In the dancehall music, we talk about loyalty. Right now, they have to rewrite these three books and put Gaza right beside loyalty. And we talk about a music camp. And we talk about a movement in a dancehall music. There is no other movement or camp in a dancehall music currently. Remember one time when people that say your alliance was the only movement in a dancehall music. That's a Gaza Nation has replaced the alliance. There's no longer a music group, it's an entire nation. And not normal, and the nation is worldwide. Not only residing on the island here or in the Caribbean diaspora, but worldwide. No matter which major content they go right now and say Vybz Kartel and dancehall music. There will be someone there if you either sing a song or say yes. In reality, we're there. Support is strong. And not normal. Phenomenal DJ, phenomenal artist, songwriter, producer, entrepreneur. Him a forward home. Yes. Him a forward home. Right now, we know family, loved ones, well-wishers, supporters, fans. Right now, everybody excited. The excitement is hard for contain viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, I feel like we need to drop a live. I feel like a live need to drop. Yeah, man, we are linked up on a live. Whether me or another representative from the nation, we're going to drop a live and get into the reason so we can join the discussion, call in and hold the vibe there, hold that energy there. A reality, a definitely reality at this point in time. We need to get the thing on a level. That man, we're going to get the thing on a level, viewers and subscribers. We're going to join the discussion, man. I make you join the discussion so we can have that interactive experience there. And as well, you know, they must say no forward out, but I feel like you have to go out there. You know? You go read it the camera, them. I feel like we have to go out there. Well, I would have said them do it. I would have said the correctional facility and the tribunal that preside over the case. I guess everybody play them part and pre them own motives. Different motives are at play. But one thing, them couldn't hide freedom or justice from the teacher. Because it was proven to the world. Documentaries already started and just because what take place worldwide right now. So I guess them are put the situation forward right now, release the teacher and the mass gathering and way. Because of what take place right now, maybe that will still left on a level. We'll see it play out. Freedom is a must. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is there as well for my like. We drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reason from the comment section. Out move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love and prosper until we reason again.